From the very beginning, whenever the task became more challenging, the spirit of invention created a better mousetrap, sometimes with less than desirable results. But for the most part, problems were solved, especially when design and engineering principles were applied. So what about today? Take something as ordinary as filling IBC containers with light-density powders. Most of the solutions fall well short of the desired result. Most are not rugged enough or lack the necessary settling capability. And most settling machines do not properly apply the right method to rapidly and efficiently drive entrained air from light-density powder products, or are too slow and ineffective, often taking up to 20 minutes or more to fill a single container. Plain and simple, the industry needs a better mousetrap. Well, here's some great news: the Super Sacker. A revolutionary new answer to the problem of efficiently and cost-effectively filling IBC containers. The Super Sacker was created when a client asked us to develop a system to meet the following criteria. First, provide the proper impaction type settling device, which would drive the maximum amount of entrained air from light-density powders. Second, be rugged enough to withstand the stress created by such an impacting process. Third, provide the required surge capacity. And finally, be cost-effective. Using these guidelines, the Super Sacker was developed. A first glance tells you that the Super Sacker is extremely rugged. The framework is robust, a must to support the action of the settling table. The surge hopper support beams feature parallel arms and rugged rotary mechanical pivots. The settling action is produced by a low-frequency, high-amplitude system in which two large cam wheels lift the sack upward and then drop it with considerable force against rugged urethane bumpers, driving air from the product, producing the proper tamping action required for effective densification of light powder products. The action is direct and effective. No air boots here, no linear slides, or other high-maintenance components. With the Super Sacker, ease of operation and low maintenance are the watchwords. Unlike other machines, the amplitude of lift is adjustable from 0 to 2 inches by using the threaded adjustment rods located at the front of the lift table. The frequency of impact can be controlled by use of a variable speed motor control package. The sack support system is also quite simple, and yet very rugged. The surge bin is located above the sack and is easily adjusted vertically through the use of a hydraulic cylinder, which can lift or lower the sack as required for optimum contact with the settling table, and for pallet insertion after filling. Super Sacker has been designed and engineered to be tough, rugged, efficient, and cost-effective, and yet simple, with a receiving or surge capacity that allows a full charge of product to be pumped into the machine even though the material has not yet been densified. The Super Sacker can be used without a scale when loss in weight or pre-weigh systems are used. If a unitized system is required, scale load cells can be mounted between the surge bin and upper support frame where they will be totally isolated from the settling action. The air-over-oil lift system enables the operator to position the bag at the optimum height for settling and for the easy insertion of a pallet upon completion of filling. The design eliminates the need for settling while the sack sits on the pallet. A simple concept, solving a problem through creative engineering and design. The most efficient and cost-effective method in the industry for transferring light-density powders into IBC containers.